Yes, ma'am, you
Yes,
can.
ma'am.
Okay. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal? I'll first tell you one story, a small story created by me only, to make this question understand to you. After that, we will look at logically. Okay. Now, again, let us see, beta. We have two children, let us say A and B. Suppose the initial score of A is 63 and of B is just 3. Right? There are two students, A and B, in some competition or whatever. A is at 63, B is at 3. What is the difference between their scores?
50.
60. Now, what is
60.
happening? A is feeling that I am at 63, B is at 3. What will B do to me? I am the winner. I am the winner. So, in next task given to them, जो भी next task दिया गया दोनों को in the competition, A feels I am at 63. How does it matter? Let me give my not so very good performance. And after that, A is given just 2 more marks, 2 more score, and his score reached 67. And B is not losing hope. B is determined, is committed to himself or herself that I am going to give my best and I am going to beat A. So B did good performance in the next task and is given 7 more score. So now the score has reached 10. What is the difference between the score of A and B at this stage?
55.
55.
Ma'am, 55.
55.
And the
55.
score दोनों के बीच का gap decrease हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
third task is given. A again feels I am at 65. B at just 10. क्या कर लेगा मेरा? ठीक है. I am doing okay. So again, not a very good performance. Just 2 more marks. B is again, I want to do something. I want to beat A. 7 more marks. 17. Now, what is the difference between their score at this stage?
60.
50.
50. 50.
The gap is
50.
decreasing, children. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
One more task. अब अभी भी A को लग रहा है यार मैं 67 पे हूँ, B तो सिर्फ 17 पे, क्या बिगाड़ देगा मेरा? What harm it can do to me? चलो, 2 more. 69. B, I want to do best. I want to do much better. I want to beat A. 17 plus 7, 24. What is the gap between their scores now?
45.
45.
45.
Gap is decreasing. चलो, very good. Now 69. अभी भी मैं बहुत आगे हूँ. 71 is more than enough for me. B, I want to do best. 24 plus 7, 31.
31.
What is the gap? What is the gap?
40.
40.
40. 40.
Beta,
40.
do you believe that continuing like this, the gap is
Ma'am,
going
it is
to
the gap is 7. Ma'am, the gap between
Yes.
them is 7.
gap between them continuing like that, एक stage आएगा जब दोनों का score क्या हो जाएगा?
Equal.
Same.
Equal.
Same.
Getting my point? So we have to find
ma'am.
after how many tasks, after how many tasks or after how many assignments or after how many projects, both will have exactly same score. This is the meaning of the question. That there is some value of n for which both the APs have got same terms. तो मैंने आपको इसको एक story की form में change कर दिया so that you can understand it better. And the step where the gap between both of them will be 0, that means both of them have got same score. और उसके बाद A ने और task करना है और B ने एक और task करना है. B will be ahead of A. Like that. What is the general message you are getting out of this story? What is the general message?
Ma'am,
Never
ma'am,
lose your hope.
Never lose hope. Never lose hope.
Okay, very good. What else?
you can do.
What attitude of A?
Overconfident.
What attitude?
Overconfidence.
Overconfident.
A was overconfident. भाई मेरा क्या है? What can B do to me? And what attitude was shown by B? positive attitude, success, that I want to be successful, determined. He was determined to beat A. Continuous efforts, consistent efforts. Where am I going? Shall I
Yes,
drop
ma'am.
this? So is the question clear to you that what we have to do in the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to find that value of n for which both the terms are going to be equal. So if we take first term, so I'm just going to write like this. For AP, 63, 65, 67, and so on, let first term A1 is equal to 63, common difference B is equal 65 minus 63 is equal to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
For AP, 3, 10, 17, and so on. Let A1 we have already taken, we can take B1 here. 3, common difference. As we have used small d for the previous one, we may use d dash, d prime here. So it will be 10 minus 3, which is 7. As nth terms are to be equal, therefore an should be equal to bn. That is, now what is an? A1 plus n minus 1d, and b1 is b1 plus n minus 1 d dash. All right, beta. Put the values carefully. Here A1 is 63, D is 2, so 2 into n minus 1, B1 is 3, and D dash is 7.
7.
So 7 into n minus 1. Alright, let us open the bracket and solve it. 63 plus 2n minus 2, 7 into